In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is personal or business. Understanding your PayPal account type is quite important, as it determines the features available to you, the fees you might encounter, and the compliance requirements you need to meet, especially if you're sending or receiving money for goods and services. It's a common question, and thankfully, it's very simple to find out with just a couple of clicks. To begin, you'll first need to log into your PayPal account. Once you've successfully logged in and are on your main PayPal summary page, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see a small gear icon, which is universally recognized as the settings icon. This is where we'll start our journey to identify your account type. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to access your account settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal profile, security, and payment preferences. Once you're on the settings page, you'll need to navigate a little further. Simply scroll down the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for specific text. What you are looking for is a phrase that says, "Upgrade to a business account." If you see this exact phrase displayed on your settings page, it means that your current PayPal account is indeed a personal account. Personal accounts are typically designed for individuals who send and receive money for personal use, such as splitting bills with friends, sending gifts to family, or making online purchases. They generally have limits on the amount of money you can receive and may not offer all the tools a business needs. Now, if you scroll down and do not see the option to upgrade to a business account, this is a strong indicator that your PayPal account is already configured as a business account. Business accounts come with a range of features tailored for merchants and businesses, including the ability to accept payments from customers, use a business name instead of a personal name, manage multiple users, create invoices, and access advanced reporting.